When we realized we had a problem, we thought for a while how to do it, how to attack the problem, and how to respond to it. My boss at the time, Kurt Sangster, a sharp fellow, I think he was the one who had the idea to, because he had knowledge of Purdue through some other things that he was doing with the university, and became aware of Civis and the modeling group, and so I think it was his idea to let's see if we can bring them in to solve this essentially flow problem. Following a pollution control installation, we found that we had a derate in the unit where we couldn't get enough airflow through the unit. The fans that were previously capable of producing full flow were no longer. So we did experience a flow-related problem. Again, our awareness of the potential of Civis to research and conduct trial and error solutions to flow problems caused us to come to you. So again, it was a match of our problem with flow and realizing that you had a potential solution for studying, understanding, and resolving the flow issue. Okay, the solutions that the Research Center provided, after understanding that the flow problem, we got inside and saw that indeed we did have a recirculation zone, we did have something robbing us of the capacity of the unit. We came up with different turning vane applications. We installed some turning vanes in the computer model and saw that the flow did change. It was able to change the pattern and the recirculation zone of the problem. Better yet, we were able to get inside and visualize it and see the recirculation, see how the recirculation changed as we modified the turning vanes. And so we'd come up with a second set of possible vanes. And we got the output of those and saw how things improved in this way and that way, and how the changes caused the changes to the turning vanes caused a change to the flow. So we continue using a trial and error method to continue modifying the turning vane design, and we went through some 40 plus different turning vane configurations before we finally chose the best one. So it was a great example of trial and error, get inside using the simulation and the visualization to understand how the turning vane configuration changes improved or didn't improve so well, and worked our way toward the optimal solution. It was a great example of working together very well with people who were quite motivated and eager to solve our problem. Very impressive. Following the study and of the various turning vane options to resolve the problem, we did implement one of the solutions chosen, the optimal of them. We were under time constraints because of an upcoming outage where we shut down for 4 weeks and do a bunch of other work on the unit. And so the group worked very well with us towards working up towards that deadline. And just before the deadline came, we chose the best solution and we bought steel to build that design. And we implemented it. And following the outage, when we got back online, we turned the key on and found out that sure enough, the derate was gone. We were now getting full flow through the unit. So the implementation of the solution coming from the computerization study was completely successful. The implemented solution was a dramatic cost improvement for us. We were derated on one of the unit to about 90% of its output, taking away 10%, which is tremendously valuable to us. The value of the implemented solution was estimated to be $1.9 million per year, and that will continue on forever. A dramatic result. I feel that the collaborations of local industry with the Civis folks are a dramatic win-win, both for local industry who can get modeling results, interactive work with the people doing that modeling are tremendously valuable to industry. I'm also aware that this is helping the students developing as they develop into young adults and into the workforce, that they are, instead of just seeing problems out of textbooks, they're now working with experienced people in industry, understanding budgets and schedules and difficult problems and trial and error solutions. And so I think they too are developing. I truly think that collaboration with Purdue in this way is a tremendous win-win for both the students and the industry. I'm proud to have been involved and a great supporter because of that.